1997 Cadillac DeVille. We're going to be placing the headlight assembly. This also will show you how to replace the bulbs themselves, but I'll be replacing the whole unit and the bulbs because the lens fell out. But this will also, if you ever have fading or fogging, this will show you how to replace that as well. So. Step one, we're going to grab right here, just lift up, and then kind of bend that out of your way. So if you want to just replace the headlight bulb, you can actually just go under here and push it counterclockwise, and then you can wiggle it out. And then if you can just pop this tab out. But if you notice, it's kind of difficult to get your hands in there. So if you can't get your hands in there, it might be easier to take this whole assembly out to replace the bulb. So first step is you're going to need a E8 reverse star bit, or Torx bit, a lot of people call them. So you're going to take that out. You can actually get these at Harbor Freight. It's basically the opposite of a Torx bit. So here's a Torx. And then it's just the opposite direction. We're just gonna set that to the side there. And that will gain us access to these bolts here and here. And we're taking that bolt off there, as well as a bolt off down here. Once you get those bolts out, you can take the whole assembly out as one. There's a master wiring harness right here. You just pull this tab, this orange tab here, and then you can squeeze here and then pop that out. So I'm gonna switch out my lights from the old headlight to the new headlight. This one came with new headlights, but the blinker lights, I have to swap them from here to here. But I'll show you just how to take out the headlights. You turn counterclockwise, lift up, and pull that tab back, and then just wiggle it out. I'm going to save these, so if my new ones ever burn out, I have a spare. And the same for the rest. I'm going to be replacing the blinker ones. So there's this little tab right here. You got to push that in, and then spin it counterclockwise to be able to get the blinker lights or bulbs out. So you push that tab in and then twist counterclockwise to get the blinkers out. Swap the wiring harness. You want to pop this tab out here. You can use a tool like this to pry up, or you can use a set of these. And it comes right out. Do the opposite we did for taking it apart is we're putting them back together. Push in, turn clockwise till it locks into place. Connect the new tabs. And just reconnect everything. To assemble it back together, don't forget to hook up your main wiring harness. Squeeze in there, put the safety tab back in. Carefully, we're gonna put the headlight back on. I like to start by screwing everything by hand, and then when I get it all screwed in, then I'll just tighten it all down. When you get the headlight all tightened down, you can grab the other light here. And there's two little tabs here. You push in and then that way. Okay, once we get that in there, we're gonna use the E8. And we're gonna tighten up that other screw down inside of here. Now we gotta set the level. So right now we're off level, so we're gonna take an 8mm and we're gonna put it on that screw, and we're gonna screw it until it goes to level. Okay, once you get it leveled, everything tightened up, the most satisfying part is taking off the plastic and put this cover back on. And away we go. Thanks for watching.